Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. A great song, a great collab, Benny Blanco, Selena Gomez. It's not a question mark there, but we also have Becky G, Te Olvido, La La La. That's the title of this cool song. Very simple, guys, promise you. We only have 3 chords. You're gonna play in the same way through the entire song. Love that scenario. Keep on second, all that good stuff. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar. 6 streams ago. I talk a little bit too fast now because I'm in a hurry. Still, we have a link up here somewhere. Go and help me out. Subscribe to that channel. That's the best way to thank me on this channel. And by the way, we have something that's called Gruvgear Guitar here, Wish Wednesday, where you're gonna have your wish songs. If you want to have a better chance to get your song played here and shown how to play it on Gruvgear Guitar, then make sure you subscribe to that new channel and leave that info in the comment. Yes, I've subscribed to that one. I wish this song, and yes, you're gonna be higher on that list on Wednesdays. So thank you for support, guys, and give some motivation there to help me out. So thank you. Let's go on with this tutorial. Keep on second, like I mentioned, 3 chords. We have the D minor, A minor, and E. All right, D minor first. Open D, second G, third B, and first E. A minor, that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, E. That goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have a very common strumming pattern used for these kind of songs. So if you grab the first chord, the D minor, it goes like this. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. Pretty simple, okay? In the context. All right, so you're gonna play 2 of these per chord, and the chord progression will be D minor, 2, A minor, 2, E, 2, and A minor, 2. That's it. So D minor, A minor, E, A minor, round, around, around like this. So that's it, guys. Gonna play D minor here, and then soon you're gonna switch to A minor, and that's the title of the song, the Olvido and La La La. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.